Hey, do you still want to go grab a beer?
Yeah, but I don't want to go to our usual spot.
Oh, well, I just found this brewtastic new app called Brew Buddy.
I'm Banjamin Hatch, he, him pronouns, and I'm located in Denver, Colorado.
Hi, I'm Jocelyn Wensloff. I use she, her pronouns, and I'm located in Bozeman, Montana.
Hi, my name is Josh Bennett. I use he, him pronouns, and I live in the Fargo, North Dakota area.
Hello, my name's Renee Pinna. I use she, her pronouns, and I'm located in Boulder, Colorado.
Brew Buddy is only for folks over 21. The first time I visit the app, I will be prompted to indicate that I am of legal drinking age. If I'm not, I'm directed to an age-appropriate beverage option. However, if I am of legal drinking age, my local storage will remember my response and I will be navigated to the main page of the app.
I can search for breweries in any state across the US with the option to narrow my search by city. I'm provided with helpful messages that guide me in submitting the search form. I am navigated to a unique URL for that location for ease of saving and sharing with buddies. When the results come back from the server, the breweries are displayed in the sidebar container as well as represented as pins on the map component.
I can also use this Near Me button if I don't want to specify an area. The app will use geolocation to get my coordinates and find nearby breweries, as long as I've allowed location permissions.
We used the React leaflet library for our map component. After searching, you are brought to a view of the map calculated by the coordinate results. When you click on a map marker, the brewery's name, address, and phone number are displayed. The corresponding brewery card is brought into view on the left side of the screen. This interaction can be triggered by clicking the card as well. When the card is clicked, you are brought to the brewery's position on the map. These features work the same when there is only a single result.
If I favorite a brewery, it will be added to my list of favorites and will be visible from the favorites page. Additionally, I can filter the breweries by my favorites in the list of breweries that will appear for a location.
The entry point to the application is the app component, from which the two different views branch from, the search view and the favorites view. The search view houses the components that make up the home page and is where the user will likely spend most of their time. The search component consists of a series of reducers and their corresponding dispatchers. When I submit the form in the browser, a series of dispatchers are triggered, resulting in a network request to a third-party API, the source of our brewery data, OpenBreweryDB. The favorites view is where you can view and manage your favorite breweries. The favorites component, by way of the favorites context provider, stores and retrieves brewery data from the user's local storage, which means your favorites will still be there if you leave and inevitably come back to BrewBuddy.
For our tech stack, we used React, React's Context API, React Router, Sass, and Leaflet for our user interface. We implemented Cypress for end-to-end testing, and we built and deployed our site using Vercel and Create React app. Lastly, we gathered all of our data from Open Brewery database.
We chose to use React's Context API for our global state management for its simpler implementation and lighter layering. At the time, we were more concerned about avoiding prop drilling and syncing states, so React's Context API was more than enough. However, as we considered the possibility of scaling our app, we became concerned about unnecessary re-renders affecting performance. While we did split our context to help minimize this problem, we believe Redux would be a better choice for our scaled application.
Throughout the process, we implemented daily stand-ups, which allowed us to stay organized. Our stand-ups include discussing each member's work from the day before, if we had any blockers, and what we wanted to accomplish by the end of the day. Additionally, we took advantage of GitHub projects to track and manage our progress.